ang sarili, ngunit di nakakayanan sa ikaw na dinadaanan ko.
Bading bading. Bading sa alo. Bading sa lipunan. Bading yarn. Bading, uy, bading.
Okay, class, get one whole sheet of paper.
Ma'am, one sheet, ma'am. One sheet, ma'am.
Ito yung pang isa pa na extra.
Hoy, di bayad yan, ha? Betisa.
Ito yung pang isa pa extra pa rin.
Sino ba wala? Mabait ako ngayon.
Extra pa rin. Ayun na extra. Salamat pa rin.
But there are people who are only nice when they need something from you.
Aray! Please, respeto naman, oh. Kanina pa kayong gugulo niyo. Kailangan sa'yo! Ano pa ako sa haircut ko?
Pagkain ko pa sa'yo yan eh.
Apakayabang mo, mas mukha pa nga ako lalaki sa'yo eh.
Tahimik!
It's so hard to pretend to be happy, especially when you're dealing so many problems at home.
Darling, I'm home.
Ano? Kasino na naman? Pambabae na rin na saan? Thomas!
Darling, I lost it sa casino. Gusto ko lang naman gawin yung bahay namin.
Ganyan, gusto ko English. We have so many bills to pay. Nasa yung pera, Thomas. Halimaw ka!
Stop suffocating me!
Ano ako? Sasubukin kita, Thomas?
Pwede ba tumigil mo lang kahit isang gabi lang? Ano naman? Maawa ka naman sa amin ng mga kapatid ko. Pag gusto ko na naman matulog, araw-araw akong puyat. Ginagawa ko yung mga assignment ko, mga exam ko. Pag gusto ko na lang katahimikan.
Tatrabaho naman ako ah!
Asan yung nagtatrabaho na pakita mo sa amin? Kami ng DJ naghihirap, mama, ikaw nagpapakasarap sa kusina!
Bahala ka kayo dyan! Bahala na kayo sa buhay niyo!
Why would I have to be in this kind of family?
Oh, baby!
Uy, si Leo. Yung pala yung bading eh. Yung pala si bading eh. Bading yarn.
Uy,
Bading sa alo.
Huwag ka na magsayang ng oras dyan sa bakla na yan.
Bading. Bading.
Salot!
Bading. Leo.
What kind of life is this? I just want to be happy.
Oh my God, Elena, I heard shouting from outside. What did that animal do to you again?
Thomas gambled everything. Everything has gone.
Listen to me, Elena. You need to leave him. He is destroying you and the kids. A man who chooses card and dies over his own family doesn't deserve you. Pack his things, throw him out.
But sometimes, the person you trust the most can also betray you.
Dahan-dahan natin simulan muli ang paghakbang. Dahan-dahan tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating kagandahan. Dahan-dahan iangat ang mukha upang maslayan ang payapang kalangitan. Oo, pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-isa. Kaya't lumaban ka at sabihin, ako naman muna.
Lord, tulungan niyo po ako. Pagod na po ako sa mga pagsubok na binibigay niyo po sa akin. Pero tatanggapin ko po ito ng buong loob. Pero Lord, bigyan niyo po ako ng lakas at gabay para po sa aking pamilya.
Kuya. You've been quiet since you got home. Did something happen at work?
Ano ako magugulat ha? But Dad isn't coming.
What do you mean, Kuya?
I saw Dad with Tita Maricel. They're together. Dad gave Tita Maricel money.
No, not Tita Maricel. She's Mom's best friend. We have to tell Mom. We have to.
Oh, not yet. Look at Mom, Leah. She's emotionally broken. If she finds out that her husband and best friends are together, it will kill her.
Please, we keep it secret now until we figure out what to do.
My God, Elena, you look so tired. Did Thomas come home last night? I think you need to file a legal separation. I'm saying this because I love you.
Oh, Marcel, I know that you've been always supportive of the marriage. Because of that, everything will be settled soon.
But there are no secrets that cannot be revealed.
Hi everyone! I will cook dinner.
Sit down, Thomas. You too, Maricel, sit down.
I don't have any time to your drama, Elena.
I said sit down. 20 years of friendship, 20 years. You slept with my husband when she didn't start.
Elena, it's not what it looked like. Thomas wasn't happy.
Shut up! Don't you dare talk to my mother like that! Nakita ko kayong dalawa. Nakita ko kayo naglalumpungan doon sa sala habang binibigyan mo ng pera ang babae mo. Kaya wala tayong panggastos eh.
Paano mo nagawa kami to, Dad? Pinaniwala mo kami na naluloko ng sugal. Pero isaan na yung door!
Oo na, may relasyon kami ni Marcel. Sa kanya ko naramdaman ang lahat. At ngayon, aalis na ako sa bahay na to. At ni Bisa walang laki matatanggap sa akin.
Eh di umalis ka! Walang kawalan dito!
Umalis ka, Thomas. Dalhin mo lahat ng basura mo. Tandaan mo, pag umalis ka, wala ka na anak na babalikan. Alis!
Sige na, umalis ka! Sa amin ang babae mo!
Sama kayo